If you've ever struggled with a broken or stuck zipper on your favorite bag, you know how frustrating it can be. Zippers are essential for functionality, and when they stop working, it can render your bag practically useless. The good news is that fixing a zipper is often easier than it seems. Let me guide you step by step on how to fix a zipper on a bag, so you can save your bag and avoid the hassle of replacing it. The first step is identifying the problem. Zippers typically fail because of one of three common issues. The slider isn't gripping the teeth properly, the teeth are misaligned, or the slider has become stuck. Inspect the zipper closely to determine which of these is causing the issue. If the slider is stuck, the most likely culprit is dirt, debris, or fabric caught in the zipper. To fix this, start by cleaning the zipper. Use a soft brush or an old toothbrush to remove any visible debris. Then, apply a small amount of lubricant, such as a bar of soap, wax, or a zipper-specific lubricant along the teeth. Gently move the slider back and forth to loosen it. This simple solution often solves the issue and is an essential part of learning how to fix a zipper on a bag. If the teeth are misaligned, you'll need to realign them. Start by fully opening the zipper if possible. Use your fingers to straighten any bent teeth. For more stubborn teeth, a pair of pliers can be used to gently nudge them back into place. Once the teeth are aligned, slowly zip and unzip the bag to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now, if the slider itself is the problem and isn't closing the teeth properly, it might be worn out. In this case, you can try tightening the slider. Use a pair of pliers to carefully squeeze the top and bottom of the slider together just slightly. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much pressure can damage the slider further. Test the zipper after tightening. If the issue persists, you may need to replace the slider entirely. You can purchase replacement sliders from most craft or hardware stores. Installing a new slider is a straightforward process and a key skill when understanding how to fix a zipper on a bag. For situations where the zipper is beyond repair, consider replacing the entire zipper. While this might sound complicated, many seamstresses or repair shops can handle it if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Remember, with a little patience and the right approach, most zipper problems can be resolved. By following these steps on how to fix a zipper on a bag, you can save time, money, and your favorite bag. If you're still having trouble or the damage is severe, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Good luck, and I hope your bag is back in action soon.